Hey YouTube, and welcome back to the Sneaky V YouTube channel. Last time I left off, I was getting my accessory brackets here installed, got my power steering pump installed, but I couldn't get the power steering pulley installed because I think the opening is just a little too small, but that's not going to stop me from getting the rest of it installed. So I'm going to do this side, which includes the spring-loaded tensioner arm, the AC compressor, and I'll be able to install the alternator and AC compressor after I get done with this. So this is the bracket for the AC compressor. It goes on this side, something like that. And it has this spacer bracket that needs to go on like this, I believe, right there. So basically, this bracket, you can just really go ahead and install it on this thing here. Let's see. It should go on something like that. Anyways, you can install it on that first, or you can install it on the block first. I'm going to install it on the block first so I can line up all my holes. So you got this socket screw, socket bolt that goes in the bottom here and attaches it to the head. That tightened down. And with just that one in, all of the rest of the holes here, and those are the only other two that go to the head lined up already. So basically what I'm gonna do now is just put this on over this and get it lined up as well, so I can get it bolted in. So we'll take one of these bolts, send it to there, and this one goes to the head. And these smaller M8 bolts goes here. This goes here. And these two go here and here. And now I can get them tightened down. So this is for these. Those three are done. And there's only two of those. So now what I'm going to do is get those torqued down. Where's my torque wrench? Everything's getting spread out again. I'm going to have to clean up again. There it is. So these smaller ones go to 18 foot-pounds. And the larger ones go to 36 foot-pounds. Let me just check to make sure. Yeah. That doesn't hold true for necessarily this pulley bolt here. I guess because it's bolting into aluminum with a steel bolt, and it seems to want to pull the threads out, so I'm gonna need to get a longer bolt and be pretty careful with that. So let me get this set to 36 foot-pounds. And get these tightened down. And right, there was only 2 of those. And that's it for the bracket on this side. That seems a lot simpler than this one for some reason. So the next thing I need to do is get my what do you call these things on? The tensioner arm. So it'll be this guy, the tensioner arm for this side. And I don't know if there's supposed to be like 2 of them. Depending on how the belt runs, I might need to remove this real pulley here and run a smooth one, because the belt looks like it's gonna need to go over the top of this, and I'm gonna need a smooth pulley for that. But we'll see. But yeah, anyway, this pulley here goes onto here. Like so. And it attaches with 2 M10s. Now, where do I keep putting stuff? And 2 of these guys. Those torque down to 36 foot-pounds. So that tensioner pulley is on. It's spring loaded. It holds the belt in place. It holds it tight without like having it solid. It mounts it on the pulley system without having to have it solid, so it has some wiggle room so you can get it on and off and it can move. So let's see, next thing I need to do is probably another pulley. Depending on how I'm going to run my belt. So there should be another pulley around here somewhere. pretty sure I had another pulley. I just don't know where it is right now. Definitely not in there. Alright, let me think. Anyways, I can't find my other pulley right now. If I had one, I don't remember if I had one or not actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and skip ahead and put my AC compressor and my alternator on. Then I can come back to these pulleys later. So this is going to be my AC compressor. It's a bright chrome thing that was like not really necessary to be this chrome, but it is, so whatever. Let's see how this guy fits in here. Not that way. Yeah, it's gonna go like this with some bolts and stuff. Alright, let's see. So I have a SD7 style compressor, and it just goes on with a couple bolts. I'm glad I didn't get the S5 type because it requires a few more bolts and washers and spacers and whatnot. So let's get my AC compressor on. So basically, this guy just slots into its spot right here. One bolt goes here. No, it goes the backside way. So this bolt goes here, and the washer goes right between it and the end here. And the same thing happens. So right at the end of as I was getting my AC compressor on here, my camera battery died. But I did get it on. It was just 2 bolts with a couple of washers to space it out. Nothing too serious. But with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video off here. So be sure to send your friends my way. I can use the subs. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And thank you for watching, and have a good one.